Hello, welcome back. My name is Brenda, and this is the gorgeous wig I will be reviewing for you today. So if you're interested in learning more, please hang tight. All right, this is Judi from IMStyle Wigs, and she is gorgeous. What do you guys think of the gorgeous water waves? The beautiful ashy pink coloring, non-rooted. Let's take a look at her from all sides. So here's the front, left side, back, right side, and front. Isn't she gorgeous? So for those of you who love a non-rooted, this will be right up your alley. Take a look at that. There's the hairline. Okay, now watch. Look at how dark mine is. And you just put that down and it's covered it right up. Okay, this fits a 21 to 23 inch this fits a 21 to 23 inch circumference, and it literally fits me like perfect. I didn't have to cut anything over the ear. It came right to there when I cut the lace off. So that's beautiful. Beautiful fit. There's no extra bagginess in the back. This just fits so comfortably. Now, I'm 22 inch. I'm not so sure this will work for 23. I don't have, I have the adjuster tabs right at the very first piece. I'll show you that here in just a second when I show the inside. So caution with this one, but with that 13 by 4, you can literally go anywhere within that 13 by 4 section and part this. Okay, and even with my dark hair underneath there, you guys, that's incredible. Okay, so I believe this has the rose-colored lace they're talking about. Let's take a look at the inside of the cap construction. So here's where you have that 13 by 4. Okay, so 13 literally goes from ear over to ear. You have the comb at each ear, and then you have this huge free part section right here where you can, it's laying funny here, where you can part this anywhere in here in this section, okay? So not only do you have the ear combs at each ear, you have it at the nape, you have the extended nape, and you have those hook adjusters. Now you can see where the hook adjuster is for me. And again, you guys, I am 22 inch circumference. This says it fits up to 23. I think it might be a little snug because there is no wiggle room, and also depends on where your hairline is, okay? But let's put her back on. Okay, so again, you guys, there's your 13 by 4. That amazing hairline blends right in. Okay. IMStyle wigs are made of high quality heat-friendly synthetics. So yes, you can straighten this with heat. You can recurl this a different style. You can cut this shorter. IMStyle, if you let them know on your order that you would like it cut to a different length, and if you'd like the lace part cut off, I cut this off myself, so like this fits like right in here. So if you want this cut off, let them know on your order. There should be a note form or a comment space where you can say, please cut lace and please cut to 14, 16, 18 inches, whatever it is that you prefer. And they will cut it and they will style it for you, okay? And, but just remember that if they do that for you, it will have a little bit of a longer waiting period because it goes into a queue for all the other custom cuts and stuff, all right? Again, so this is Judi, and they say they're heat friendly up to 120 Celsius or 250 Fahrenheit, okay? So let's take a look. Let's go outside and take a look at Judi outside in the daylight, and just so you can get a true appreciation for just how gorgeous this color is. Okay, here's Judi outside in the shade. So let's just walk into the sunshine here. What do you think of her color? Isn't she beautiful? Let me get up here where I'm not so blinded.